Claims resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Suzanne of Lakewood, Colorado. She writes, my mother's house suffered major damage from a winter storm. When we discovered the mess, we immediately called a restoration company for cleanup. This restoration company is very reasonable and a very reliable company. After careful inspection, they gave us an estimate of $34,525.20 for repairs. The insurance company said they didn't have to cover any of the damage since they were not the first company to see the damage. And I'm giggling because insurance companies say all sorts of crap that isn't true. And sometimes you as a consumer, we as consumers, believe the company we pay to protect us and our assets, right? But they're like, we're not gonna pay for the claim because we weren't the first people to see it. That doesn't matter. The claim is still here, the damage is here, I can prove it with photos and you can come out and look at it. It doesn't matter if you're the first, the second, the 20th person to see it. It doesn't matter. However, I digress and let's move on. So they said they didn't have to cover any of the damage since they were not the first company to see the damage. Insurance company came up, finally they agreed to come out and take a look, came up with a total of $7,654.33 for repairs. That is about a $27,000 difference. This didn't include the roof over the bedroom, which had to be replaced. They claimed the damage was due to lack of maintenance. More than a year later, an independent engineer, which trust me, if you've seen any of my videos, who is the engineer being paid by? The insurance company. They are not independent. They are beholden to the insurance company because that's how they make a living. Think about that for a minute. Always question who is the person getting paid by. So the engineer was hired by the insurance company and he noted that the damage was caused by water and snow, not lack of care. To date, 2 years later, we have received less than $10,000 for repairs. We don't even have enough money to replace the carpet or the furniture. The bedroom remains unusable. I have been transferred to at least 8 different departments and each department doesn't know what the other one has done. It is so frustrating. My mother has carried insurance with this insurance company for more than 50 years. And has never made a claim. Stay away from this company. You are not in good hands. So if you know their slogans, you know what insurance company this is, and I'm telling you this. They are some of the most difficult people to work with. I'm just throwing that out there. But this is the deal. When you've been working on a claim this long, and they're not willing to pay what's rightfully owed, especially when an engineer gets involved and says, yes, this is damage from a storm, not lack of care or maintenance, which blows my mind. I'm telling you, insurance companies find ways to not pay claims based on what their policy excludes or doesn't specifically include. It's a caveat we don't have time to get into. However, this is the deal. If the policy doesn't specifically exclude it, doesn't mean it's included. Think about that for a second, okay? If you're working on something for more than about 3 months without a resolution in sight or agreed to, you need to get somebody to work on your team. You need to hire a public adjuster, you might need to hire an attorney, but if you're going 2 years and you still haven't gotten a resolution, that is way too long, especially for a $35,000 claim. If it was a $3.5 million claim, there's a lot of things that have to be done, there's a lot more experts and things that occur, the timelines are longer, in regards to a commercial claim, just the nature of the beast. However, a $35,000 claim should not ever take 2 years to get resolved. Okay, so if you need help and you want somebody to fight on your team against the insurance company that's not paying a legitimate property insurance claim, that's residential, commercial, industrial, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.